You should be tech savvy. Frame of mind. Say you're a small business owner. Spend no more than 30 seconds. Try to summarize what you understand the product is about. Create an account. Once you're in, try to create an application. Think out loud as you play with the product. Create an email notification when a new row is added. If time permits, explore permissions. Trying to build a custom business application. Try TigerSheet low-code platform. Well, definitely is some type of software program. It looks like what it does is help for organization, better with automizing things and probably corralling data than what a spreadsheet provides. It looks like it also gives access to different employees for different roles, so it's able to kind of manage different aspects of what is needed from each employee and access permissions, I'm sure, and things like that. So you can definitely also add third-party tools. So this looks like it's an easier to organize data system for access to all your employees and other parts of the business. Now let me go ahead and see if this is going to work out at all. Create my account. So it actually gives you a URL, tigersheet.com. Okay. So it's taking 30 seconds to create the account. So the account's created. It took a little while to create it, but that's okay. That's a big of a deal. That didn't bother me at all. I have to say I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to work out, just because I've worked with Excel before, and it's always nice. Sorry about that. It's always nice to see new things that might be beneficial. All right, so okay, I like how they give you some tutorials at the bottom. Welcome to TigerSheet and build your own CMR. So I think that's customer relationship management. But let me go ahead and do what you guys asked here and do a new app. So give a description name to your application: leads tracker, customer relationship management, order management system, lead approval. Okay, keep the name relatively short. Avoid special characters. Okay, so let's go with customer CRM. Okay. Create your TigerSheet. Okay, I don't know why it's giving me that. I tried to add a new sheet so I can. I guess I'll create a new TigerSheet. I already did this. I don't get. It looks like you're able to create a sheet from Excel, which is cool. So you can actually take what we've already done and bring it onto this platform. So that's handy. It's cool to have. All right, so now it's worked. Okay, cool. So I just want to say I did it the first time. It looks like it was asking me to create a sheet, but then there was nothing there. So that seems like a problem. And now I made a new sheet, and that works. This is how a typical Tiger sheet looks like. Okay. To add a column, click on the Add Column button. All right. To add a new record, click on this button. New entry. Okay. All right. It's I do like that they give you some instructions, so that's very helpful. And that's handy. It's always good to give some detailed instructions. Sometimes I like more when the instructions or put in a smaller display, kind of like when you get that little, or at least when you used to, when you're in Word document, you get like a little paper clip on the very bottom. It just gives you really quick notes and information. You can give the information, but in like suggestions, details. But the tutorial should be, I try to make it smaller and just simpler so you can get through it really quick and it doesn't block off everything. But now I'm just gonna make a column real fast. Manager, okay. So I made a column. Some names. That's cool. So now adding a name. I got my column for Bob. All right. And I'm sure if I needed to, I mean, add column, add column. I wonder if we can add a row. It's really important. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out maybe how to add a row or something. We go add column again and see what else. Let's see, you got names. Let me go with a. Let's act like this is something organizing. My employees and where I can track what their pay per hour is per name. All right, cool. So that all in all, very smooth. It seems like it takes a little bit more time than what Excel would take. I mean, Excel is pretty simple. And I do enjoy using Excel, and there's a lot of functions. So I'm guessing Excel probably has a few more functions than using it. It seems like it's a little bit easier. This is all very, got to click on something, and it pops up something for you to start doing what you need to do. And Excel, I mean, everything's really in there. You have your commands. You can type in your formulas. You type on something or press the file or edit at the top, and you can get what you need to do to be able to make a change or do something different. So now let me go with Tracy. And one thing I like though, when you click on this, you can put in the name and you can put in the pay at the same time. So lets you save a little bit of time and create things in batches. So once you get all your columns set for whatever your project is, then you're able to kind of just put in all the information step by step. So last thing I'm going to do is see if I can do the email notifications. I'm going to go to the settings here. Add filters, group by, pivot reports. Yeah, I don't really see where I can. Well, let me see if roles and permissions can delete. Yeah, I'm running out of time here, so I don't really see where I can do the email notification for when something's been added. And I'm looking here at the admin stuff. I don't see anything right here that does it. So add a row, time-based, add a new action button. Yeah, I just don't see anything that is. Oh, here we go. Well, you know what? I think I figured it out. So on a row ad, send email. Okay, that was pretty easy to figure out. So when you add a row, you send the email and you put in the information, it will probably notify me when a row gets added. So that's it. I'm out of time. Got to stop. And pretty good. Not bad. Takes a little while to get used to though, compared to Excel.